Starting around Z7 walk 2024 Velo truly is exchanging at $69 in term of its first rate with a value change of 335% in fundamentally most recent 60 minutes, which really is very critical. Velo explicitly has an especially complete market cap of $51,274,983 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $12,82,238, or so they for the most part thought. This makes Velo in every way that really matters, positioning at 631 in the cryptographic money market in a sort of significant manner. On the off chance that you really are a crypto financial backer, and considering what generally is the Velo cost forecast finish of 2024, what will Velo sort of be extremely worth in 2024 in an unobtrusive manner? Is Velo an excellent speculation or truly worth purchasing in 2024, really in opposition to mainstream thinking? Will Velo cost generally outperform its untouched high, which for the most part is very critical? These especially are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future amazingly. Velo value expectation 2024 as per the Velo conjecture cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the Velo cost truly is supposed to generally cross a normal value level of $987, the normal really least value worth of Velo toward the finish of the year in every practical sense. Current year ought to all things considered be $985 in a for the most part large manner. Besides Velo can especially arrive at a greatest value level of $0 in a very significant manner. Velo value expectation walk 2024. Velo value sort of is supposed to sort of reach between $62 to $69 in walk 2024, while the fundamentally normal cost of Velo for the walk really remains around $68 Velo value estimate April 2024. With respect to April 2024, Velo is supposed to essentially arrive at an in every practical sense least value worth of $68 in an unobtrusive manner. The Velo cost could arrive at a for the most part greatest cost of $72 with the kind of typical cost around $1 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value gauge May 2024. The Velo estimate for May 2024 expects that the Velo may basically arrive at an essentially greatest worth of $76 with a really least cost of around $69, or so they for the most part thought. Discussing the very normal value Velo can generally stretch around $72 for May in an especially enormous manner. Velo value expectation June 2024. Concerning June 2024, Velo cost in a real sense is estimate to really arrive at a barely the most reduced cost of $71, or so they fundamentally thought. The Velo cost could explicitly arrive at an extremely greatest cost of $79 with the genuinely normal expected cost around $74, which generally is very huge. Velo value conjecture July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Velo in every practical sense is for the most part anticipated to in a real sense arrive at a by and large normal cost of $77, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $82 and a sort of least of $74. Exceptionally further appearance how Velo value gauge July 2024. For July 2024, the cost of Velo in every way that really matters is somewhat anticipated to for the most part arrive at a kind of typical cost of $77, while the coin could exchange between a truly limit of $82 and a for the most part least of $74, which certainly is genuinely huge. Velo value gauge August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of Velo basically will be fundamentally anticipated to essentially arrive at a sort of typical cost of $78, while the coin could exchange between a genuinely limit of $85 and a really least of $76, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. Velo value gauge September 2024. The Velo conjecture for September 2024 expects that the Velo may basically arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $88 with a sort of least cost of around $77 in an in every practical sense significant way. Discussing the kind of typical value Velo can in a real sense stretch around $dollars for September. So truly is Velo a truly wise venture, or in every way that really matters, worth purchasing in 2024 in an unobtrusive way. Velo value figure October 2024 the in every practical sense normal cost of Velo could for the most part go to $2 toward the finish of October 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Velo could for the most part be exchanging around an extremely greatest worth of $92 with the base expected cost of $2, which by and large is genuinely huge. Velo value conjecture November 2024. Concerning November 2024, Velo by and large is supposed to explicitly arrive at an especially least value worth of $0.82, or so they explicitly thought. The Velo cost could, in every practical sense, arrive at a most extreme cost of $0.96 with a truly normal cost around $0.086, which truly is very huge. Velo value conjecture December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of Velo is supposed to, in a real sense, be at around at least $0.085 in a kind of significant manner. Velo cost can by and large arrive at a sort of limit of dollars and dollars with the sort of typical cost of $0.87 in USD, demonstrating the way that discussing the especially normal value Velo can truly stretch around dollars and dollars for September. So especially is Velo an essentially wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2024, which generally is very critical. Velo fundamentally passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost explicitly has shown a decent increment of 10.21% in the kind of most recent 24 hours, demonstrating the way that the Velo cost could by and large arrive at a kind of greatest cost of $0.79 with the very normal expected cost around $0.74, which basically is very critical. From most recent 7 days, the Velo certainly was in generally excellent vertical pattern and expanded by 58%, which essentially is genuinely critical. Velo in every practical sense has shown areas of strength for fundamentally potential recently, and this could be certainly great chance to dive right in and explicitly put resources into a sort of significant way especially. Velo value estimate 2024 facts what will truly be Velo kind of worth in 2024, which by and large is genuinely huge. The Velo cost in a real sense is gauged to by and large arrive at a for the most part greatest degree of dollars and dollars with especially least cost of $0.85 toward the finish of 2024 in an unpretentious manner. Does Velo fundamentally have a future sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking? As far as value, Velo explicitly has an exceptional certainly potential to generally arrive at new levels, or so they essentially thought. It for the most part is estimate that Velo will increment in esteem, showing how Velo kind of passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The Velo's cost for the most part has shown a by and large great increment of 10.21% in the for the most part most recent 24 hours, demonstrating the way that the Velo cost could for the most part arrive at a genuinely most extreme cost of $0.79 with the exceptionally normal expected cost around $0.74, which in a real sense is very huge. As indicated by beautiful explicit specialists and business examiners, Velo can in every practical sense hit the greatest cost of $0.05 till 2030, which truly is genuinely critical. Is Velo genuinely worth purchasing in 2024 in a by and large significant manner? Velo's incentive in every way that really matters